Let me save you an afternoon of searching. This is the Montana month-to-month rental agreement. It is free, and you can have it filled in before this video finishes. Today, it is the Montana month-to-month rental agreement. A month-to-month rental agreement is the one people most often end up in by accident, when a fixed term simply runs out and everybody carries on. Writing it down is your chance to decide the rent, the deposit, the utilities, and the notice period on purpose, instead of inheriting whatever the default happens to be. Without it, a tenancy nobody documented is governed entirely by rules neither side has read. And this is the part that matters. The deadlines, the notice periods, and the wording that actually count are set by Montana law, not by a generic national template. The version on our site is built for Montana, and the page walks you through the Montana rules that apply to it. You type your details straight into the browser, and it builds the finished PDF for you, laid out properly and ready to sign. Free, nothing to install. Give this a like if it saved you some time, subscribe for the other states and the other forms, and grab this one at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com.